Next is 11th question. Which term of the AP? Here AP is given to us 3, 15, 27, 39 up to so on. Which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? They are saying that we want to find out a term and that term is 132 more than its 54th term. Let us suppose if that term is equal to nth term. Can we write down this relation as nth term is 132 more than its 54th term. So this is the relation, and for this relation first which value is required? 54th term. So first we will calculate 54th term with the help of given AP. In this AP, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 12. General term is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Which term we want to find out? 54. So n is equal to 54. A is 3 plus 54 minus 1 and D is 12. So 3 plus 53 into 12. 3 plus 12 3 is 36. 60 plus 3 is 36. 63. So 639 is the value of its 54th term. Okay. So when we substitute this value in this relation, then we obtain value of that term is 132 plus A54 is 639 and this value is equal to 177. So this is the value of that term, the term which we want to find out, because here which term of the AP, this is the value of that term. Now we want to find out the value of this n. So an value is given to us. AP is same for this part also. So A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 12 is given to us, and an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 771. A is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 and D is 12. So 771 minus 3 is n minus 1 into 12, and this is 768 n minus 1 into 12. So 768 divided by 12 is equal to n minus 1, and this value is equal to 12 6 ja 12 6 ja 72 and 12 4 ja 48 is equal to n minus 1 and n is equal to 65. So this is the value of n. It means this value is equal to 771, and what is this term? Term is equal to 65th term. So 65th term of this AP is equal to 771, and this term is 132 more than its 54th term. Is it clear? According to this relation, given relation, we can write down this condition as, and first find out the value of 54th term. So when we calculate 54th term, this value is equal to 639. By substituting this value here, we obtain value of that term, but we want to find out that particular term. It means we want to find out the value of n. In this case, if we want to find out a particular term, for that always we have to find out the value of n. So here n is equal to 65. So this is the term and this is the answer. Next is question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? 100 term relation is given to us. With the help of this relation, we want to find out the relation between their 1000 term. And one more relation is given to us. Two APs have the same common difference. So first in this question, we will consider, let first AP is A1, A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D, A1 plus 3D up to so on. Let us suppose this is our first AP, and second AP is A2, A2 plus D, A2 plus 2D, A2 plus 3D and up to so on. We consider in both APs D comma difference same. Why? Because this condition is given to us. Two APs have the same common difference. So that's why D is same in both the APs. Now what is the first relation? Difference between their 100th term. So 100th term from the first AP will be equal to, what is the general term formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now from this relation A100, A first term is A1 plus n is 100 minus 1 and D is same D. So 100th term from first AP is A1 plus 99 into D. Okay. Now from the second AP, if we want to find out 100th term, let us suppose this is A100 and first term is A2 plus 100 minus 1 and D difference is same. So this term is A2 plus 99 into D. And now they are saying that the difference between their 100th term is 100. So it means A100 minus A100 dash is equal to A1 A2 plus 99D and minus A1 plus 99 into D. And what is this value? They are saying that this difference is equal to 100. 99D and this is minus 99D. So this term is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 100. So this is our relation from the given relation. Now next is, what is the difference between their 1000 term from the first AP? Find out their 1000 term. So if we consider 1000 term by A1000 dash, and according to this general formula, first term is A1. So A1 plus 1000 minus 1 into D. So this term is A1 plus 999D. Okay, now from the second AP, find out their 1000 term. Let us suppose this is A1000 and this first term is A2. A2 plus 1000 minus 1 into D. So this value is A2 plus 999 into D. Okay. And again we want to find out the difference between their 1000. So find out the difference. A1000 dash minus A1000 is equal to A1 plus 900. Here relation is A1000 minus A1000 dash. Find out the same relation. So this term is A2 plus 999 minus A1 plus 999 into D. So next is A2 999 cancel out, A2 minus A1. And from the first relation, what is the value of A2 minus A1? A2 minus A1 value is equal to 100. So we can use this value in this relation also, and we can say that difference between their 1000 term is also equal to 100. So this is the answer of this question.